Now, let's get underway. I want to talk first about our core beliefs at the radio station. Core beliefs are important in helping you establish a brand, because as you learn more about the psychology of consumer behavior today, you'll start to learn that expressing the why behind what you do gives you a distinct advantage over those competitors who can only articulate what they do. So these are our core beliefs, and you're welcome to them. Perhaps you can use them too, or they might even cause you to think of other core beliefs that you could express. But at the radio station, we believe that your success must come first, because we don't have subscribers who pay to listen. We don't get any government money that helps us keep the transmitters on. The sole source of income at the radio station is through the sale of commercials to business owners like yourselves. So everybody on our team understands what their role is in making sure that you're satisfied with this advertising investment. Because if we don't make sure that you're satisfied at the end of the year when it comes time for renewal, chances are you won't. You'll have grown tired of just giving us money. Our second core belief is that we believe local companies deserve the same kind of sophisticated marketing tools and sophisticated marketing services that big companies like McDonald's and Coca-Cola get when they employ advertising agencies in New York City. But of course, we want to make it affordable at the local level. We have resources all the way from New York to LA, San Francisco to Atlanta, and all points in between. And with all of these resources at our disposal, we believe it's our duty to be the leader in client education. We have found that if we take time to help our customers understand how to do more effective branding and advertising, ultimately they are more satisfied. We spend at least 2 to 3 hours a week in a classroom setting, our staff does, studying the latest trends in marketing. We study individual product categories so that whenever you meet with one of our team members, you're meeting with a well-educated, well-prepared person who can help you come up with ideas to find more customers. And finally, we believe that we can have anything in life that we want, as long as we help enough other people get what they want in life first. Now, to be quite honest, if that sounds familiar, that's because it's not an original idea. It comes to us from Zig Ziglar, the great motivational speaker. He built a worldwide sales organization on that one simple premise. You see, when you can express why you do what you do, you have a competitive advantage over the competition who can only articulate what they do. Because when we study the psychology of consumer behavior, another Zig Ziglar quote rings true: people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So that's one of the reasons it's important to express your core beliefs in building your brand.